I'm Dan. Here at Crossblade Aerospace, we're working on vertical takeoff and landing technologies for personal transport, combining rotor-enabled point-to-point travel with the speed and efficiency of winged flight.
In our research and development work, we have extensively used one of our prototype UAVs, Skycrawler. And because we love flying Skycrawler, we have decided to make it available to you now.
Skycrawler is a high-performance transformer UAV or drone. Its patent-pending switchblade mechanism enables multi-rotor-powered vertical takeoff and landing and in-flight transformation for fast and efficient winged crews, including recently developed retractable landing gear. Because a wing is much more energy efficient than a spinning rotor, Skycrawler blade is capable of much greater speed, endurance, and range than helicopters or quadcopters. Skycrawler is a modular design enabling you to reconfigure it according to your mission parameters. Tail and wings, for example, can be removed without tools, reconfiguring Skycrawler to a high-speed pure multicopter, the Hornet. Compared to craft such as the DJI Inspire, Phantom, Parrot drones, or other multicopters, Skycrawler is far more aerodynamic. Also, because of its thrusters, producing almost half a horsepower, it does not have to tilt for forward flight, making it fly even faster, longer, and further. We have been doing research and development work on Skycrawler for 2 years now. First, we developed multi-rotor powered vertical takeoff and landing. We worked on the switchblade transformer mechanism and the transition to and from winged flight, and then improved winged and rotor-powered flight performance, both of the winged blade configurations and of the wingless Hornet configuration. Then we added features such as retractable landing gear and versatile 3D printed nose cone system for the attachment of aftermarket cameras. Finally, we integrated all the electronic components a modern UAV should have, like live video downlink and GPS.
What if there was an aerial camera platform that really could capture your world from any perspective? Something completely different from anything you've seen before. An aerial platform that was portable, unbelievably rugged, powerful, and simple to use. One that you could take with you anywhere without a lot of hassle. Introducing Sprite, the world's most portable and rugged unmanned aerial vehicle. Whether you're an active outdoor enthusiast or a serious professional who just needs to get the job done, Sprite is as portable, rugged, and hardworking as you are. The motors and electronics are all sealed tightly into the airframe, keeping them safe from dust, dirt, and water. Whether that's happening in the backyard or the backcountry, it even floats. But it's also really easy to use. With Sprite's powerful autopilot, you can create three-dimensional GPS flight paths. You can change speed, hold a position, fly circles, a survey pattern, even scan structures or regions of interest, all while keeping the camera pointed right where you want it. Sprite can even follow you to capture that ultimate perspective. Or if you like, you can fly Sprite with an optional remote control transmitter. The automatic, controllerless flight modes let you program Sprite and leave the controllers back at base camp or at home. The airframe is made up of durable connecting sections, making it super easy to change batteries or even payloads on the go, without tools.
I'm Derek. I'm passionate about drones, and I've met many people who want to fly drones but found them really hard to control. I want to help because I feel that they're missing out on the fun of aerial filming. That's why we came up with the idea of Ghost.